This particular dish is actually bring a lot of memory back. Dundari.
Dundari.
Dundari is...
I never heard of it.
Well, Dundari is dialect. It means ricotta dumpling. And then I have a picture there. It's my mum. Every time I do a dish, which, you know, my mother used to make it always, and I don't understand why, but the way my mother used to make, I can never get near to them. So when they actually cook this dish, it's your mum here.
Yeah, obvious.
You know, that is nice memory. But first I will have the flour, which is 200 grams. More.
More? Fine.
It's 200 grams, dead on. Then I need 220 grams of ricotta. Tell me when.
Yeah, now, yes, okay.
Then you only use the yolk of egg. 1, 2,
yeah, 3 yolks.
And I have the ricotta inside. Can you pass me a fork, please?
Where's the fork? Here.
That's good. Then I mix a little bit. The eggs will hold all together. Then I will have parmesan, 20 grams to 30 grams of a parmesan, which you grate the parmesan inside. Then you have just a little touch of a nutmeg, pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, and then you have the flour inside.
Yeah.
And then you use the best tool, your hands.
Very delicately.
You can see everything is get together. Such an easy dish to make it. Yeah, just mix well, Antonio. Go on.
That's what I'm doing.
No, just the other side as well. Let's see, you're doing nice.
And then you take a little bit, probably, judging by what...
Too much.
Too much. Like this.
Very good. Yeah, just to do this one. Like that.
It's enough, it's enough, it's enough.
Yeah.
Put it there, not here.
Yeah, well, your hands is under it. It is nice to see you do that. So then you have a little flour on top.
Gnocchi.
You want to try to cut it like that? Come on.
Oh. Very difficult, Gennaro.
Nick. But let me show you how quick is the sauce. I have 2 tins of a tomato. Then you have 3 cloves of garlic. 1 chili, because I need for you to cut me this chili.
Yeah, with pleasure.
And bunch of basil. So, yeah. Meanwhile, I slice
It's
it.
very finely chopped.
Roughly chopped, Antonio. Have you done the chili?
Yeah, it's here.
Okay. The frying pan is already hot.
Olive oil.
Olive oil. Oh, lovely and hot.
Lovely.
Now I'm gonna put the garlic and the chili inside. It's in a flash, quick cooked sauce. And I get the dundari, yeah. Have them inside.
Wonderful.
Okay, cover. Now it will cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Don't
more
take
than that.
very long. Then I gonna chop basil roughly.
Shall I grate the parmesan for you?
Yes, please. Oh.
The smell is very good, Gennaro.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah.
The smell, Antonio. I close my eyes. I can see my mum. I can see my sister inside, next room, try to prepare that table, and me running around. Even the cats and the dog.
My goodness. You have tears in your eyes, Gennaro.
I do, Antonio, I'm sorry.
That's very touching.
Oh, no, hold on.
Very
It's
nice.
not tear, it's a joy. My little baby, you can see, they start to come out. Every single one. The little bits heavier than other dumpling with the potato, because potato makes a lot.
But they are probably tastier.
You're right. Oh, bless you. I love it when you say that.
I want to
And
taste that.
this one, I'm gonna do.
Because I never had dundari before. Dundari.
Put it there.
Yeah, fantastic.
You see, here we use a parmesan.
Yes.
But we used to use goat cheese.
Yes.
Can I just?
Yeah, you can do yes. I can understand that you remember your mother with that.
Taste, smell, and the flavor. Bless her.